Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you speed painting of my useless series and few talk about our current situation. It's so crazy, right? World is changing drastically. Like as always, we have both merits and demerits. We hear all the time negatives, but if we think other way around, I feel like it's a purpose. Our world is healing, so does the people are realizing the importance of every little things. Time, food, money, family, or even a walk. Well, every cloud has silver lining. We will definitely gonna heal and be back to our normal life soon. Till then, make yourself so busy that you don't even get time to worry about things. Currently, I'm reading How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie, and it says even worry makes your tooth decay, so better not let that happen. If you are hearing me till now, I might give a tutorial if you want to learn how I paint this. You can comment which one would you like to learn, then I will post the simplest tutorial. Also, you can use double-sided tape to decorate these walls and make it look aesthetically pleasing to your sight. Hope you have a good day. See you in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and have fun.
And it goes a little something like